charming in-town living in one block from the Beltline. This 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo features an open floor plan with luxury flooring, eat-in kitchen, stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, tile backsplash and flawless white cabinetry. Spacious master bedroom and walk-in closet with plenty of storage space. Enjoy the fresh air and relax on your private balcony off the living room on the quiet front side of the building. Fantastic amenities which include business and fitness center, game room, lounge area and secure bicycle storage. Unite S21. 2 reserved parking spot included. Just 1 block away from the Beltline and conveniently located to shopping, dining, Grant Park and Ponce City Market.